Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from GBHOME. GBHOME, make your life better, and it's going to be a set of dishes and stuff, but we're going to open this up. I'll show you guys what it is. So it comes with a thank you for choosing our product here. And then we have lots of cardboard and some boxes. So let me see if we can get this out of here. I'm going to turn it upside down, get it out. Wow. It's in there good. They really have it packed up very tightly. Okay, there's that. And take these out of here. Okay, so here are our boxes of items here. So we have these two boxes here. We'll open this up. And I'll show you what we have. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, so not sure how best to get them out. I guess I'm gonna have to do the upside down thing again. I hope that they don't fall. Okay, I'll do it just like that. Because these are like a stone dishes. Look at that. Look how nice these are. I don't know if you can see the color on them. They're kind of they have a pattern to it. Let me turn off the light here. But can you see that? So it's got a brown edge around it. It says GBHOME on the back. And it's definitely like a handmade looking plate. And then you got, looks like there's going to be one bunch of them in here. There's different sizes. We have, that's the smaller one, and then we have the bigger one here. So we have those two sizes, and we have, I think there's going to be 4 sets of each. So we have, there's another set here. So they come packed in 2s. I don't need to take them all out at the moment, I guess, because they're all going to be more of the same. But you can see they are slightly different from each other. You can see little different markings and stuff to show you how nicely handmade these really are. Okay, so there's those. Okay, so we have these dishes. I'm just gonna put these back in here. So we'll leave one set out for right now, and then we'll put these other ones back in just for the sake of demonstration, and my counter is very small. Okay, and so we have the plates, and now let's see what's in here. Okay, ooh, these are nice. Okay, and now we have the bowls. So check this out, wow. So this is a hand-finished product. Each piece is unique. Color variations might occur. Okay, so I'll show you guys here. There's one versus another here. These are just super gorgeous, and they got some good weight to them. I'm gonna put the light back on just to give you guys a good look here. So this is the set. You get a small plate, you get a big plate, middle plate, like a dinner plate, a salad plate, and a bowl for ice cream, soup, whatever. And it looks like that's what we get here is a set of that. And we have a set of 4, so there's 2 more in here, and I've taken the 2 out here, and we have the 4 sets in there too. So we have a full dinner setting here, and these are just gorgeous, and they say the GBHOME on the bottom. They're stenciled on there, and these are just great. These are going to look gorgeous on any dinner setting. I'm almost like I want to leave these set up and not even use them because they're so pretty. But they are great. And it looks like they're dishwasher safe, I think it said on there. And let me see. To remove metallic stains, it just tells you how to clean it and stuff here. You can use Barkeeper's Friend and things like that to clean these things up. And it changes color depending on the lighting. Different finish depends on it reacts. But these are just gorgeous and great ones here. Is there any, I don't know if there's any information other than this in here. But yeah, these are awesome. And it says modern, elegant, durable, and safe. So they're microwave and dishwasher safe as well. So that is great. So these are going to look way better than my, I'll look like an adult now. Instead of using Mickey Mouse plates, I can actually use adult plates. I'm like growing up. I'm a big man now. So check it out. It's very cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with these. Some thumbs up for sure. Great, great set. And we're going to have 4 sets of these. Awesome.